Good afternoon, everybody. Very warm good afternoon in this last 20 days where we have to prepare very hardly for the Neet 2020. Yes, I'm back with the Slido quiz again. Today we are continuing with the Mega Botany test number 3, and I already issued the topics for this particular syllabus, and I hope everybody in the class is prepared, very much prepared in this last 20 days. This is one of the most important 4 chapters, that is morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and last one is a biological classification. Yes, today's code is displayed on the screen. Go to slido.com and use the code 1635. I hope you might have get the code and the YouTube link in the Telegram group. We don't have time to waste. Go to slido.com and use the code 1635. 16305. I'm activating the quiz. Let all the participants join into this amazing session. Those who are maximum number of students, try to enter the group as fast as possible. Yes, guys, please join fast. We don't have too much time to spend on waiting for the participants to enter. Yes. Yes, guys, I'm starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1, and all your eyes on the screen. First question on the screen. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root: pericycle, cortex, epiblema, endodermis. The question is Casparian strips. Casparian strips are present in which part of the root? Yes, the correct answer for the question is endodermis. Guys, it is not cortex. Casparian strip is not found in the cortex, it is found in the endodermis. Perfect, endodermis is the correct answer for the question. Next one on the screen. In an annual ring, the light colored part is known as. In an annual ring, the light colored part, they are asking you about the light shaded part, light colored part of the annual ring. Is it hardwood, late wood, early wood, sapwood? Yes. Let's see. Guys, it is early wood, it is not sapwood. It is not sapwood, it is early wood. Perfect. Next question on the screen. The inner, darker and harder portion of a secondary xylem that cannot conduct water in an older dicot stem is called. The inner, read the question very properly. We have 35 questions. The inner, darker and harder portion of a secondary xylem. Yes, it is duramen. Duramen, which is inner, lighter, inner, darker, harder portion of secondary xylem that cannot conduct water. It is duramen. Next question on the screen. Yes, Neet 2013 previous year paper. Simple question. I have given only 10 seconds for answering. Seed coat is not thin and membranous in groundnut, coconut, maize, gram. Yes. Ooh. Guys, I think only these students wanted the class. Perfect. Coconut is the correct answer. Please note this question. Very times repeated question. Next one. Lenticels are involved in Neet 2013 question again. Transpiration, gaseous exchange, food transport, photosynthesis. Guys, I'm coming with a 20 days revision strategy tomorrow. So don't miss a super amazing session. Gaseous exchange is the answer. Okay, you all these functions, among these you have to select the appropriate option. That is, you have two options, that is transpiration and gaseous exchange, right? Among those two you have to select the most appropriate reason, that is gaseous exchange. Next one, again Neet 2013. Age of a tree can be estimated by, yes, age of a tree can be estimated by counting the number of annual ring. Perfect. Next question, for a critical study of secondary growth in plants, which one of the following pairs is suitable? Yes, guys, it is teak and pine. It is not sugarcane and sunflower which is necessary for the secondary growth in plants. It is teak and pine. Next question on the screen. Yes, again question from anatomy of flowering plants. Hardwood differs from sapwood in absence of parenchyma and vessels, presence of rays and fibers, being susceptible to pests and pathogens, having dead and non-conducting elements. Yes, having dead and non-conducting elements. That makes a difference between the hardwood and the sapwood. They are different from each other due to the having, or the hardwood is having dead and non-conducting elements. Next question on the screen. Interfascicular cambium is a protoderm, primordial meristem, primary meristematic tissue, secondary meristematic tissue. Interfascicular cambium. Guys, interfascicular cambium, it is required for the secondary growth of the plant. Intrafascicular, lateral meristem. Okay. Interfascicular cambium is a secondary meristematic tissue. Next question, all on your screen. Take care. Identify the plant parts whose transverse section show a clear and a prominent pith. Dicot stem and a monocot stem, dicot stem and a dicot root, dicot root and a monocot root, dicot stem and a monocot root. Next one. Yes, the type of plant parts that show transverse section, whose transverse section shows a clear and a prominent pith. It is monocot root and dicot stem. They show clear and prominent pith. Next question on the screen. Take care. In a dicotyledonous stem, the sequence of tissue from outside to inside is phloem, phloem, endodermis, pericycle, phloem, pericycle, endodermis, phloem, pericycle, phloem, endodermis, phloem, phloem, endodermis, pericycle, phloem. Perfect. Good question. Expect this question for Neet 2020. Expect this question. Ooh. Guys, it is phloem, endodermis, pericycle, phloem. Expect this question. Expect this question for Neet 2020. Neet 2020. Okay, next question on the screen. Okay, as secondary growth proceeds in a dicot stem, the thickness of Sapwood increases, hardwood increases, both sapwood and hardwood increases, both sapwood and hardwood remains the same. Okay, last option, same. Yes, guys, the answer is both sapwood and hardwood increases. Next question on the screen. The ovary is half inferior in the flowers of, half inferior in the flowers of guava, peach, cucumber, cotton. Guys, again, I am reminding you, tomorrow I'll be coming with a 20 days revision strategy for Neet 2020. Yes, it is peach. The ovary is half inferior in the flowers of peach. 14 question on your screen. Take care. Which one of the following statement is correct? Flower of tulip is a modified shoot. In tomato, fruit is a capsule. Seed of orchids have oil-rich endosperm. Placentation in primrose is basal. Yes, guys, the answer is flower of tulip is a modified shoot. Asking the correct statement. Next question, take the next question on the screen. The eyes of potato tuber are, very simple question, very simple question. Axillary buds, root buds, flower buds, shoot buds. Yes, very good, guys. You all prepared 100% of you guys with the correct answer for the question. Next question on the screen. The adventitious root which arises from the stem, penetrates into the soil and helps support the stem is called prop root, stilt root, climbing root, clinging root, which arises from the soil and penetrates into the soil. Okay, prop root. Perfect. Next question on the screen. Take here. The fruit is chambered, developed from inferior ovary, and has seeds with Salsicin testa in. Cucumber, pomegranate, orange, guava. Half inferior ovary. Perfect, guys. It is cucumber. Next question, not pomegranate. Next question on the screen. The layer of meristematic cells at the tip of a plant root, which continuously cut off new cells to its outer edge, is called procampium, calyptrogen, ground meristem, tunica. Yes. Ooh. Guys, the answer is calyptrogen. The layer of meristematic cells at the tip of plant root, which continuously cut off the new cells to the outer edge, is called calyptrogen. Next question on the screen, take here. The most reduced stem is found in bulb, comb, rhizome, stem, tuber. Perfect. Yes. Guys, the correct answer is comb. The most reduced stem is found in comb. Next question on the screen. Yes, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Tapetum is present between. I want 100% answer with the same option. Epidermis and endothecium, and middle layer. Epidermis and middle layers, and sporogenous tissue. Tapetum is present between. Oh, guys, it is middle layers and sporogenous tissue. Epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and tapetum. You have 4 wall layers. Anther consists of 4 wall layer. It is epidermis. endothecium, middle layers. Last one is the tapetum. And inside the tapetum, you have the sporogenous tissue. Okay, so tapetum is present between middle layer and sporogenous tissue. Take care of the next question on your screen. Very, very simple question. Very simple question. Those who are giving the wrong answer, I don't have anything to say. Exane of pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin, cellulopectin, callus, cellulose. Very good. 100% with the answer sporopollenin. Next question on the screen. Yes, guys, again, simple question. You can expect very direct and easy questions. Okay, direct question from, okay, sexual reproduction of flowering plants. Ovule is megasporangium, microsporangium, integumented sporangium, megaspore. Guys, when you are studying about ovule, studying like this, am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Studying certain structures like this, attachment, hilum, this 2 to 3 layered structure, integument. So the correct answer is integumented megasporangium. Next question on the screen. The point at which the funicle is attached to the body of ovule. In the last question, I explained. In the last question, I just explained it with the help of a diagram. The point at which the funicle is attached to the body of ovule. Raphe, hilum, endothelium, chalasa. Perfect. 100% with the answer. Hilum. Next question on the screen. A typical angiospermic embryo sac is usually, guys, it is usually, not usually, it is usually. A typical angiospermic embryo sac. Yes. Oh, 3-celled also came the option. Guys, it is 7-celled. One big cell followed by 2 cells over here. Then you have a big egg over here followed by 2 synergids. Okay. Then in the center, you have 2 cells clubbed together. 2 cells clubbed together, and here you have the filiform apparatus. Am I right? Telling everything correctly, right? Guys, this is the antipodal cells. Antipodals. This is the polar nuclei. This is the egg, followed or supported by 2 synergids. It is 7-celled condition, guys. 7-celled, 8-nucleated. Next question on the screen. Take your next question. 10 more questions remaining. Continued self-pollination result in. Continued self-pollination. You know that it results in self-breeding in depression. In breeding depression, right? Continued self-pollination result in better progeny, weaker progeny, new variety, both A and C. Ooh. Guys, what nonsense is this? Better progeny. Continued self-pollination result in I told you that it will result in inbreeding depression. Guys, what do you mean by depression, inbreeding? The progeny, depression in a mental depressed state, weaker progeny. It is not new variety, not better progeny. How can it be A and C? Guys, that is why the plants adopt certain material, what procedures such as self-incompatibility, hercogamy, heterogamy. Next question on the screen, take here. Cleistogamous flowers are always insect pollinated, wind pollinated, cross pollinated, self pollinated. Cleistogamous flowers are those flowers which do not open at all. So there is no chance of any type of insect, animals, or birds. Guys, I don't know who is this 20% of the students voted with the cross pollination, and those who have said the answer to be cross pollination could explain me how the plants are cross pollinated. I told you that they are closed flowers, they do not open at all. Closed flowers, so how can a pollinating agent just enter, or how can the pollen grains come out? No chance. Next question on the screen. Endomophilus. This endomophilus. Endomophilus flowers are with dry and smooth pollen, sticky and rough pollen, less number of pollen grains, brightly colored pollen. Pollens are always yellow colored, but they are different shape. Yes. It is a correct answer. Endomophilus flowers are with sticky and rough pollen. Next question on the screen. Yes, guys, simple question I included. Syngamy refers to fusion of one of the sperm with the synergid, fusion of one of the male gamete with the female gamete, fusion of one male gamete with the secondary nucleus, fusion of one male gamete with the egg and the other male gamete with the secondary nucleus. I am not asking about the definition for double fertilization. Guys, name the type of fusion. Fusion of the sperm with synergids. Guys, there is no fusion occurring between sperm and synergid. The synergids contain hair-like structures called filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. Okay? Fusion of one male gamete with the egg and the other male gamete with the secondary nucleus. Okay? Secondary nucleus. No. It is fusion of male gamete with a female gamete, referred to as syngamy or fertilization. Next question on the screen. Endosperm is generally. Guys, some of you have not prepared now also for the examination. I don't know why is it going like that. Endosperm is generally haploid, diploid, triploid, polyploid. Because even for the simplest question, you are not applying even a little bit of common sense. Guys, it is triploid. 3N condition endosperm. Next question on the screen. You were not able to give the direct MCQ. Then how this MCQ? Free nuclear division occurs in cellular endosperm, nuclear endosperm, helobial endosperm, both B and C. Yes, both B and C. Nuclear endosperm, helobial endosperm. Next question on the screen. dsRNA is found in influenza virus, retrovirus, reovirus, TMP. dsRNA is found in. Oh, guys, it is reovirus. dsRNA is found in reovirus. Okay, it is not retrovirus, it is found in reoviruses. Next question on the screen. Which one of the following is a viral disease? Wilting of cabbage, leaf roll of potato, red rot of sugarcane, damping of disease of seedling. Yes, it is leaf roll of potato. Next question on the screen, 33rd question on the screen. ELISA is used to detect virus when the key reagent is DNA probe, catalase, alkaline phosphate, RNAs. This alkaline phosphate. 34th question on the screen. Due to discovery of which of the following in 1980, the evolution was termed as RNA world. RNA has an enzymatic property in some virus. RNA is genetic material. mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, synthesis protein. RNA is not found in any cells. Due to the discovery of which of the following property of RNA, the term evolution was termed as RNA world. RNA have an enzymatic property. We know that both RNA and DNA are the genetic material, and among them RNA functions several functions, such as it functions as the adapter molecule, it functions as a catalyst, it functions as a messenger, as a structural molecule. So different functions are there for RNA. Next question, last and final question on the screen. I have already included this question in the previous slide of quizzes also. Which of the following statement is not true for retroviruses? Retrovirus have causative agent for certain kinds of cancer in man. The genetic material in mature retroviruses is RNA. Retroviruses carry gene for RNA dependent DNA polymerase. DNA is not present at any stage in the life cycle of retroviruses. Perfect. Leaderboard for the day. Oh my god. Pranav is the topper with 25 on 35. 10 questions got wrong. Oh my god. Guru 21 on 35 seconds. Suganya 19 on 35. SK with 15 on 35. Vaishnavi with 13 on 35. Any question and answers for me? No. Yes. So guys, tomorrow I'll be just coming with super amazing strategy. Super amazing strategy for Neet 2020. I have Pranav with 25 on 35. Then Guru 21 on 25, 35. Then Suganya with 19 on 35. SK with 15 on 35. Vaishnavi 13 on 35. Nila with 10 on 35. Dima with 0 on 35. Dr. Hari with 0 on 35. Yes, guys. I hope actually, yes, Junaid Rangresh, go to Telegram and search at extra neat. Perfect. Guys, is there anybody on the chat box now? Is there anybody on the chat box now? Yes. Guys, tomorrow's session, never ever miss it. Last 20 days strategy, super cool, amazing strategy for Neet 2020 students. Bye-bye, take care, see you. If you have any doubt regarding any of this question, please text me in my Telegram, okay? Perfect. Guru, please text it out in the Telegram. I'll clear it. Perfect, everybody. Bye-bye, take care. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I'll be just telling this. Today also, I told the time in the morning itself. Tomorrow, today night, I'll inform you the timing. Tomorrow onwards, we'll move with definitely a very strict schedule. Okay? Bye bye. Take care, guys.